Oracle stock is down 4%. It's trading at $295 at the time of this recording. Now, for the past year, the stock is up an impressive 88%, and this is astounding for Oracle. Is it still a great buying opportunity? This is what I'm going to cover in this video. Please note, this is not financial advice. I'm not qualified to give financial advice. I'm simply recording my thoughts about Oracle. In full disclosure, I do not own any shares of Oracle at the time of this recording. Guys, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's continue growing together. Now, let's look at Oracle's performance so far. As you know, the company is not growing fast, just single-digit growth for some time. But the future guidance is the reason why the stock is up big. The remaining performance obligations are up a staggering 359% to $455 billion. Now, Oracle has secured large multi-billion-dollar cloud infrastructure contracts with major AI players, including OpenAI, NVIDIA, Meta, and xAI. Now, to meet demand, Oracle is investing heavy in data centers, capacity, and plans to build 37 new data centers, including a major campus in Texas. So as you can see on the screen, Oracle is expecting its cloud infrastructure revenue to grow from $18 billion this fiscal year to $144 billion in subsequent 4 years. Now, why the stock is selling off again after going to $340 just a few days ago? The answer is margins. Investors are not sure about how much margin are Oracle going to get with these large contracts. Oracle need to spend a lot of money on infrastructure, and big contracts come with discounts. There is uncertainty with this. I will cover this in the valuation. Now, let me show you a couple of snips of financial information before I move to the valuation. As you can see on the screen, Oracle makes most of its revenue from cloud and software. Cloud is now 48% of the revenue, while software is 38% of the revenue. Now, cloud is expected to grow much higher, and I am assuming almost 80% of revenue will come from cloud by 2030. Next, I'm going to show you the balance sheet. I want to highlight they have $10 billion in cash and $27 billion in short-term debt. Now, I will move on to the valuation. I'm assuming $180 billion revenue by 2030. Cloud revenue is expected to be $144 billion, and I'm assuming another $36 billion will come from software and other services. Now, currently, Oracle has net margins of 21%. If I assume the same margin and 35 multiple, the company's market cap would be $1.3 billion. Currently, they have 2.8 billion shares. Now, they are slowly diluting shareholders to pay off debt, but now there is heavy capex. So dilution will happen, in my opinion. But I am assuming light dilution, as I assume they will pay for the capex with the profits. With this light dilution, the number of shares would be 3 billion. If you think there will be heavy dilution, you should assume a higher number. Now, remember, there is heavy capex business, and this is a heavy capex business, meaning they need a lot of money to buy infrastructure to rent it out. So the stock price with these assumptions would be $441 by 2030. Now, based on today's price of $295, that is a 49% gain, which is not attractive, in my opinion. Now, on the other hand, if the margin is 25% and the multiple is 45, the price would be $675, which would be a 129% gain in 5 years. So it all depends on the profit, in my opinion. Now, I want to talk about the risks. The first risk is the potential AI bubble. Now, some analysts caution that the recent surge in AI infrastructure demand could be unsustainable bubble. If the AI market slows or corrects, Oracle's aggressive investments and growth forecasts could backfire. The second risk is high valuation. Now, following the surge in the stock price driven by AI-related news, Oracle's valuation metrics are stretched beyond historical averages, and the broader tech sector. The company's price to earnings, the PE ratio, is significantly higher than the median for the technology sector, implying a really high growth expectations are already baked into the stock price. So for my personal investment journey, I'm not investing in Oracle at $295 stock price. What do you think about Oracle? Would love to hear from you. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and thank you so much for watching.